All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Caspa community. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love on these Caspa updates. You guys know what time it is. You guys know the importance of what time it is. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking across the board, I'm sure you guys are looking at a massive green day. And that is due to, of course, Bitcoin pushing towards none other than a new all-time high. So as of recording this update, which I'm making a little bit earlier than usual, but you will get the update at the usual time. But remember what I spoke about in the yesterday's update. It's really going to be important how the market reacts on Wednesday. And as we are going into Wednesday morning, you're already seeing extensive amount of green across the board, and that is because what has been shown on the live votes. Donald Trump is in the lead in terms of the election itself. So now a lot of people are going to come out and say, why is this the case? Because, it's been quite clear. I've been saying this on the channel for quite some time. Donald Trump is someone that has been rooting for crypto, and, this is a potential candidate for the president role, and of course the market is going to react in a positive way if they are going to win. And in this case, he's in the lead as of recording this update. But remember, it's not official. It's still not official. There's still time, but you can really see how the market has reacted to that specific vote percentage, which has a lot of people in the crypto space excited right now and buzzing. And Caspa up 14.4% over the past 24 hours, and the price is currently sitting at 12 cents. This is a huge relief, I'm sure, was for a lot of people in the Caspa community, because you're seeing the likes of Caspa finally seeing some double-digit gains being made. But that's thanks to Bitcoin. You got to thank Bitcoin's move. Also up 4.5% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap is at about $3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $78 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, you guys can really look at the Bitcoin dominance index sitting at none other than a yearly high as we speak, almost sitting at 61%, and not a big surprise to us. And despite a dominance going up this high, you're still seeing altcoins up double digits, and that is all thanks to Bitcoin, as stated earlier to you guys. So you can see this for yourself. I don't know why my subscription ended, but we'll fix that later. But you can really see Bitcoin is sitting at all-time high, so pretty much price discovery zone right now, above the 23.6 73,700 resistance. And right now we are sitting above that. I don't want to extend the fib levels right now. I'll wait to see where Bitcoin kind of stabilizes, but you are still seeing Bitcoin pretty much hanging within that price discovery level. So very interesting to see. And maybe when you're watching this video, depending on how the percentage changes by then, would not be surprised if Bitcoin is sitting at even a higher level, because we're in the price discovery phase right now. And during price discovery phase, sky's the limit, depending on how much buying pressure there really is. So that is great to see, of course. And if you're looking at Caspa, a lot of people frustrated in the community, because I've been saying that the Caspa's price has been showing significant amount of bearish momentum. You can't make everyone happy, and that's something quite clear. I'm sure everyone knows about that, because everyone cannot be happy. If that was the case, it's just a perfect world, and that is not a realistic standpoint. But people that really understand from a realistic level understand that the price of Caspa has been in a bearish trajectory. And yes, I'll say this 1,000 times. If you don't like hearing what I'm saying in my personal opinion, that's up to you, right? At the end of the day, everyone has a personal opinion. If you don't agree with my personal opinion, that's perfectly fine with you. But if you go watch my videos over the course of the last 2 to 3 months almost, I've been saying that the price of Caspa has been in a bearish momentum, and since then the price of Caspa did indeed drop 42%. And there's no secret about that. There's nothing hiding about that. That's literally right in front of our screens. Okay. Anyhow, if you're looking at the price of Caspa right now, it has seen, of course, a bounce to 12 cents, which is great. And I'm not going to lie, that's great to see. And thanks to Bitcoin, you guys want to be really thankful to Bitcoin right now. Caspa is up 18% since yesterday alone, and as is the overall market, because, of course, Bitcoin pushed towards an all-time high. But still, don't get excited right now. we don't need to be getting super excited. You still need the price of Caspa to retest the 13.4 cents before we can start having any sort of conversations revolving whether or not there is going to be a reversal for Caspa going on. Of course, there are a lot of people in the community that I've seen in terms of comments, in terms of what I'm hearing. A lot of people think that Caspa has retraced a lot and it is due for a little bit of an upwards trajectory. And some people came out and told me that Crypto ZX, you shouldn't say that this upwards trend formation is invalidated, even though we retested the support of the April lows. I understand where people are coming from, but I think the higher high, higher low formation just does not play anymore. I'm going to be quite frank with you. That formation is still not in play, but of course it's not at least that the price of Caspa went below that. So that is of course a little bit of a positive thing that we can look at, because if it fell below this, I think that would have just killed the mood in my opinion for Caspa. But definitely this move that you're seeing right now for Caspa, which I know a lot of people are going to come and say, oh, Crypto ZX, look, Caspa's moving, ha ha ha, you were hating this and that. Well, are you forgetting what's Bitcoin doing? Are you forgetting what the broader market is doing? I'm sure you're not, right? So we need to look at it from a realistic standpoint. Of course, I'm sure everyone will take this type of move, but you want to see the price of Caspa, making its way up to that 13.5 cents key resistance, actually closing above there. Of course, we do have some resistance on our way as we are breaking towards the upside, but if it's able to break out, I do expect that resistance to really be retested. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.